part of a little end of year tidy up, I thought I'd do something about this. This is the power supply for the electronic lead screw on my lathe. But I don't have a switched extension down here, so I have to plug it in to be on and unplug it to turn it off. So enter 3D printer. I printed this little end cap with some spaces, and I have a little kettle socket thing, which actually came off of the DRO when that power supply broke. But the socket is good, and I have a switch, so we're going to pop these in the holes. So just going to wire that up through the sockets, and then we'll see what it looks like. And there we go. Now it's much nicer. I can flip it on and off conveniently and leave it plugged in. Little job, but just ongoing tidying of the workshop towards the end of the year.